Hey guys, happy Thursday. So it is already late into the afternoon. I am working from home, but for some reason I thought I was done vlogging for vlog week, so I didn't pick up my camera at all this morning. So that kind of sucks, but I'm still here. So yeah, I'm just working this afternoon. And then, like I said yesterday, David's going on a weekend long trip to his cabin with some friends, so I'm gonna help him kind of get ready for that tonight. And then I'm also having my mom and my sister-in-laws over for the weekend. We're gonna do a little shopping and just have like a girls' weekend, so we have kind of a lot to do around the house just to get David packed, and we're also like having guests over. So that's kind of what our Thursday is gonna look like. But I'm gonna head back to work now, and I will check in with you guys later. Okay, wrapping up work, which today was kind of crazy. We had a lot of meetings, and I also had a few deadlines that I needed to get done. And if you know, you know, but when you have a lot of meetings, I feel like your day goes by literally so fast, and you don't have like a ton of time to like sit and actually like get stuff done. So it's just kind of like a balancing act of trying to get all of it done, but also be in all those meetings. So anyways, tomorrow's Friday, looking forward to that. And yeah, like I said, I'm having my mom and my sister-in-laws come stay with me this weekend because David is going to a cabin. If you know anything about me, I don't like to be alone. So as soon as David booked this cabin with his friends, I immediately was like, okay, what am I gonna do on this weekend, because I don't want to stay home alone. So I invited my mom and sister-in-laws up here, and we're gonna just do a little girls' day, go shopping, have brunch, you know, all that kind of stuff. I do want to have like a cozy night after, because I feel like shopping can wear you out. So I was like, let's get takeout and like watch scary movies or something on Saturday night. So that's kind of my plan, but until then I'm going to kind of just clean up my house and get ready for them to come, which secretly is like one of my favorite things to do. I love like anything home related, obviously like decorating, but I also just like having like a clean spot, and when people come here I like to have everything nice and like tidied. So I feel like I just blabbered for like 5 minutes. So I feel like I'm talking so much because when I work from home, I don't talk to anybody besides people on my meetings, but I feel like at work I'm able to like talk to my coworkers. So when I'm home alone, I don't talk to anybody. So you guys are my people today. So it's probably why I'm blabbing, but okay, let's go clean. The first thing I'm gonna do is make sure all the beds are clean. Thinking someone will sleep with me, and then we have a guest room downstairs that you guys have seen more than like any room in my house. But I have this other room. It was kind of, since we moved here, we thought it would be the nursery, but we just obviously haven't ever set anything up in here because we didn't have really a reason, and we only have 2 beds. So we could have easily made it into a guest room, but we just didn't want to buy another bed. And like I said, we thought it would be the nursery. So what I'm gonna do is just blow up a mattress. So as of right now, I just have a desk in here for when I do work at home. I just wanted to have like a little area that I could kind of come up here and sit. And the rest of the room is pretty much like this. There's nothing in it, just like a random table and lamp. And then I'm gonna put the air mattress right here and just make it as cozy as I can for an air mattress. But yeah, I just want to get this room set up. So I'm gonna go ahead, clean it, blow up the mattress, and just make sure all the bedding's good. So alright, here's our makeshift bedroom. I have to put actual pillows on the bed, but not too bad for a blow-up mattress. I put this little table, obviously the lamp, put a little candle, really set the mood in here. Yeah, you know, it's not the best, but definitely better than the couch. Alright, I was just gonna pick up the camera and act like I didn't just lay on that bed for 30 minutes and scroll on my phone. But that's the reality of cleaning, and probably why it takes me a lot longer than it should. So now I'm gonna head down to the actual guest bedroom make sure that bedding is clean. I actually feel like I have to wash it and just dust and do that type of stuff. Cute angle. All right, this is what this room looks like currently. It definitely becomes kind of a catch-all for stuff like this, like things I need to return, because it's on our main floor, and if I don't want it kind of in our main area, I'll just come and like stick it in here. It's kind of like my little storage room. So it's not too bad, but I'm just gonna wash this bedding and like dust the nightstand and stuff like that. David's home.
Hey.
Hi.
Got some goods for the weekend.
Nice. David stopped at the grocery store on his way home because I've said this like 10 times in this video, but him going to the cabin, I'm gonna make them biscuits and gravy here, and then he's just gonna bring it up there, so it's like super easy to just make when they wake up on Saturday. So I'm actually gonna make that tonight. So he went grocery shopping after work, but I'm gonna just finish cleaning the guest room and then we can start cooking. So cool. Cool. Okay, I just made the bed, vacuumed, dusted this whole area. I just have to clean the mirror, and I think this room is ready. I did want to show you guys, I got the cutest pair of boots ever. So I got them off of Anthropologie, but this is the brand. And then these are the boots, which I think are so cool. So I wanted a nice pair of just like leather brown boots, but I thought this, like, I don't know, it's kind of like the sock material on the front side. It was just like a cool, I don't know, different type of boot, and it goes up pretty high, which I like as well. But I feel like they just look super cool, and you can tell that they're like nice quality. So I'm excited to wear those. I definitely need to spray them before I wear them though, because I am terrible with shoes. I just like destroy my shoes. I don't know if I like don't know how to walk or what, but I'm so bad with my shoes. I'm also very nervous. So I already have huge bunions, which it's a little TMI, but I'm so nervous for like February when I'm 8 months pregnant and my feet swelling, because my shoes already like sometimes hurt me because of my bunions. So I'm like, what am I gonna wear in February when my feet actually start swelling? Swelling? You know what I'm trying to say? Like, if you've been pregnant before, how bad do your feet swell? And like, for how long? Like, I'm hoping it doesn't happen, but I'm thinking it will. And I'm like, what do I wear? I hate Uggs. But I'm like, am I gonna have to bring back Uggs? I don't know. Like, or I wear flip-flops in February, I'm not sure. I'll be fine regardless, but I was just gonna see, like, I have heard that your feet swell, and I know some of my friends have, but I'm just wondering, like, how long before you actually give birth do they swell? How bad is it? Do I need to buy Uggs? Alright, I decided to come to Target because I had a return to make and I needed a couple things, and I also just wanted to get out of the house. So, what better way to get out of the house than to go to Target? So, let's go see what they have inside. These things are cute to have. It's like super picked over, but I just found this room spray that smells so good. It smells like fall, so I think I want to get it. I've seen this online and I think it's such a cute like side table, or if you want to like put it in your bathroom or something, but I think it's so cute. I just don't think I need it, but it's cute. I also love this chair and stool. It's like, it's so fluffy. I've never seen these in store. These are kind of cool. It's $25. Trying to decide. Might just put it in my cart. And if I don't find anything else, they're super pretty. Okay, we made it to the clothes. This sweater is super cute. Alright, this is a jacket that I've been looking for, but I can never find my size. But it's this Sherpa, kind of like shirt coat. It's so cute. Just obsessed with it, but it's like sold out everywhere. Alright, I just got back from Target and I thought I would show you guys what I got. I didn't really get a ton, but first thing, I got this Smart Food popcorn. Not really sure why, because it's addicting. And then still trying to find a good non-dairy creamer, and Starbucks had this one, and it's a hazelnut latte flavoring, which hazelnut is by far my favorite. So I'm gonna try this. Okay, I ended up buying this, but I don't know. I'm like a little nervous that it's gonna go a little too like farmhousey in my house. I might try to style them somewhere and see. If they don't work out, I might give them to my mom because I feel like they would look really pretty in her house. So I do like them. Okay, and then I have been trying a bunch of these Smart Sweets candy, and my niece actually had these last weekend and they were super good, so I got them. And then these are new for Halloween, and they're their gummy worms, which I've never tried. So I got a couple of bags of both of those just to have. I randomly bought these wooden spoons for like serving. I don't know. I feel like I always buy random stuff like that and I end up using it at the weirdest times. Got these to add to that mix that I made earlier in the week. And then I got this room spray, which smells like fall and super pretty, so got that. Okay, that is all that I bought. I made my return and then bought a bunch of random shit, which I feel like is a very typical Target run for me. Just buying things that I probably didn't need, but I'm gonna go ahead, put all this stuff away, and then probably close out the night. But yeah, I guess this is the last day of vlog week. It's crazy. It feels so weird to be posting so much because obviously I feel like I've said this a bunch, but I haven't been the best at uploading recently. So I hope you guys enjoyed vlog week, and I will see you guys next Tuesday. Bye.